Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream using fresh cream. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. Fresh heavy cream forms the luxurious base, providing that signature richness. You will also need granulated sugar for sweetness, a tiny pinch of salt to enhance flavors, and your preferred flavorings, such as vanilla. An ice cream maker is crucial for churning, which prevents the formation of large, undesirable ice crystals, ensuring a smooth texture. Now, let's prepare the ice cream base. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of cold heavy cream with 1 cup of whole milk. Gradually whisk in 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar until it is completely dissolved. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract or any other flavorings you desire. It is vital to chill this mixture thoroughly in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before moving to the next step. With your base perfectly chilled, it is time to churn. Pour the mixture into the pre-frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Churn for approximately 20 to 30 minutes, or until the ice cream achieves a delightful soft-serve consistency. This crucial process incorporates air, making the ice cream light and creamy, while also preventing large ice crystals from forming. Once churned, immediately transfer the soft ice cream to an airtight container. The final step is freezing. Place the airtight container in your freezer for at least 4 hours, or until the ice cream is firm enough to scoop. For the best texture and flavor, let it sit at room temperature for about 5 to 10 minutes before serving. Homemade ice cream offers a pure, delightful taste, free from artificial preservatives. Enjoy your incredibly delicious, freshly made frozen treat with loved ones.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.